Hello, my friends, and welcome to Quishdom. I'm your host, Emily, and I'm really happy you're here today. Today's episode is one of the most requested, the most searched, and honestly, one of the most powerful lessons for English fluency. How to think in English, stop translating in your head. Everywhere English learners want to sound natural, fast, and confident. So today, I will guide you through it slowly, gently, step by step. You can listen, you can repeat, you can shadow each sentence with me. All right? Take a slow breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Many learners feel frustrated because they translate every sentence before speaking. And that's okay. You're not wrong. Your brain is just trying to help you. Translation happens because you learned English from books, not real life. You don't use English every day. Your brain still thinks English is a school subject, not a language. But today, we will change that. Today, we begin training your brain to think directly in English. Not tomorrow, not next year, today. Thinking in English doesn't mean using perfect grammar. It doesn't mean fast sentences. It doesn't mean fancy vocabulary. Thinking in English means one simple thing. Your ideas appear in English, not your native language. Even small ideas like, I'm hungry, I'm tired, it's cold, where's my phone? These small ideas are the beginning of fluency. If your thoughts become English, your speech becomes English too. Let's practice together. I will say a simple idea. You repeat it in your mind, in English. Ready? I am walking. I am sitting. I am listening. I am learning English right now. I am doing great. See? 5 seconds. 5 English thoughts. This is how fluency starts. Tiny thoughts, tiny English, every day. Name everything you see in English. Look around your room. Say softly, window, chair, phone, bottle, pillow, light, table. This simple habit trains your brain to connect English with real life, not your native language. This is how children learn. This is how you will learn too. Yes, you heard me. Speak to yourself. Not loudly, not dramatically. Just small sentences like, I need water. I should study. Let me check my messages. What time is it? I can do this. Talk to yourself in English like a friend. Your confidence will grow quietly, naturally, beautifully. You can use this technique before going to bed to learn fast. English Mind Review, 2 minutes before sleep. Right before bed, say in English, what did I do today? I woke up, I ate breakfast, I went to work, I watched a video. I learned English. That's it. 2 minutes. Your brain will think in English even while you sleep. Thinking in English is not just a skill. It's a journey. Some days your mind feels fast. Some days it feels slow. Both days are okay. Remember this. Fluency grows quietly. You don't notice it every day, but it's happening. Every new word, every small thought, every tiny English sentence, it all builds new connections in your mind. You are learning. You are improving. You are doing something many people are afraid to do. And I am proud of you. When you start thinking in English, you speak faster, you understand more, you feel confident, you stop translating, you enjoy conversations, you sound natural. It opens doors, it opens opportunities, it opens your world, and you deserve that. All right, my friend, you have reached the end of today's episode. You listened deeply. You practiced. You thought in English with me. And that means one thing. Your English thinking has already begun. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking. And most importantly, keep believing in yourself. I'm Emily, and this is Quishtum. Thank you for being here. See you in the next episode.